Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Can you guess what this one is? It's Ontario Model 1, Rat 1. Don't say rat on it though, but good stout lockup. They're heck of knives. They're big knives, by the way. That handles every bit of maybe 5 inches. The blade might come in at 3.5, 8.5 overall. Well, I got to get a ruler. All Sage steel. That's good steel, I think. Made in Taiwan, we knew that. 3 screws and a clip. Oh, it's reversible too. To that side or the other side, either end. That's quite a knife. Got a little edge on it. Well, folks, if you want a little bit bigger knife, right there it is. How about that used off eBay? It wasn't too bad. Anyway, guys, girls, have a safe day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.